Okay, I'm halfway up the hill. I've got a choice of going that way to see how deep it is, or I've got a choice of going that way. This is snow. There we go. It's just a cell phone I'm using. I don't want to take my new camera out of my bag in case I get it wet. It's a new SLR. You can see the farmer's been coming up here to do his sheep or whatever. That just goes to kind of keep going that way. I'm not really want to go that way today. I was thinking I'll go maybe this way because there's a shelter where a tree's hung over, so I can stand in there for a little while. So let's go adventurous. Let's see how deep that is. That's deep. Right, let's go. It's up to my knees. It's basically, it's up to my knees. Oh, yeah. Using my cell phone, as I say. I don't think I'm going to go very far. No, my shoes are filling with snow. There's more snow on the way tonight, and 80-mile-an-hour winds, so probably be drifting. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, really appreciate it. Thanks, catch you all later. More videos on the way.